Major function of human digestive system is to convert food into nutrients and energy. Digestion starts in mouth, where food is broken down into small pieces by teeth. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands in oral cavity which release saliva that makes food soft. After breaking food into small pieces, it moves toward the pharynx with the help of tongue. Esophagus is a long tube which sends food to stomach by muscular movement called peristalsis. Stomach is a muscular bag which stores and digests the food into soup-like material called chyme. Liver produces bile which released into small intestine, and it helps in emulsification of lipids. Pancreas produces pancreatic juice which digests the carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. It is the largest part of digestive system where final digestion and absorption of food occur. Hair-like projection in small intestine called villi which increase surface area for food absorption. The digested food materials diffuses from villus into the blood capillaries which surrounds villi. This is the large intestine. Its main function is to absorb water from food into the blood vessels. Rectum is the last part of the large intestine. It stores waste material temporarily. All these organs of the digestive system work together to make our body healthy. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting animated videos.